Where's IWM? IWM bouncing off previous month low. Actually getting a decent green candle reaction off of it. It just hit. Watch IWM calls here. A little bit of relative strength off that. Some volume behind it too. Watch these IWM 236s, 0 DTEs are around like 64, $65. God, Tesla just did the same trade again. It just hit bounced off the same level, ripping here, new high day. Nice candle reaction here. %, IWM, trim, stop at entry. IWM, baby. It hit like 180 point, like 50. Yeah. Tesla. Oh my God. What are you doing? Stop ripping. It's going to the moon. Oh, Tesla just won $100 per contract gain, motherfucker. Previous week low SPX is 66.30. We opened up at 66.72. NVDA reclaiming previous day low already. Insane in the membrane. Holy, no way. Wayne caught the Tesla 395 calls 110%. Okay, when I tell you it says realized profit, are you ready for this number so far? All right, we're 10 minutes into the day. 10 minutes into the day, my man made over $1,000 a minute. I'll tell you that. Dad, 11,350. I hear what that. There you go, Wayne. Let's go. And we just hit. It went straight to equilibrium right there. That was like between 393 to 396.3 was target area, and it just hit 394. There you go. Q's new high. SPY trying. IWM still trying. There it is. IWM new high. There you go. NVIDIA 180, 185. Insane. Insane. Nuts. I have Rivian 17, 18.5, 19s, and 20 covered calls all expiring today. Every single one of them are at 90%. Here we go. All right, there's your 185 tap on NVIDIA. There's your equilibrium tap on Tesla. What else? Someone said Wally World. What's it doing off the 100? He made money last week. I don't know. I don't know what happened. We said short. We sold off. Then we hit the reversal off the lows, and I said he owed a super chat. God, what the fuck? Come on, Tyreek. Every time I'm in the street, I hear, yeah. All right, here we go. Come on, IWM. There you go, Qs. 235. IWM. There you go. Rip it. Rip it. Oh, NVDA ripping through 185. 30 seconds left on this candle. It's at 186. I said I was full port and long and down here. Let's go. Uh-oh. Slap the ass. Yeah, I mean, that's what. Look, hold on. Got an alert going off on IWM. All right, cover some here. It depends on your spreads on what you're trading first of all. So like doing SPX, you can do market orders all you want, but you're probably going to get terrible fucking fills. Now for IWM, for example, these calls right here, my spread is $1 between the bid and the ask right now. So my bid is at 84, 85. Now it's at 87. Oh, we're pumping here on IWM. Hold on. 50% IWM, 55%. So the spread is, but there we go, baby. IWM's flying. The spread is $1. So by doing market order on IWM, you're most likely going to be fine. But for Fridays for 0DTEs, it's either market if the spreads aren't terrible, or just slap the ask as well. Oh my god! Rippers. Gotta put some orders in. %72 IWM. Holy shit. All right, there's your previous day low right there. Shout out Luxalgo for the previous month low test right there on IWM, and we ripped all the way up to PDL. Oh, come on. They're gonna go 100%. 90, 92%, 95. Do it. Don't stop right there. 96%. Come on. There's previous week low. Gosh, dang. What a freaking ripper. Why doesn't it show? I know. What a freaking what a candle. What a move. Oh, that's full target area right there. There's your previous day low and previous week low. Just shy of 100. A hunna. And there's previous day low test on Tesla, 396. I wish I didn't get stopped out of that one. Did Tesla go 100 or no? No. Got close. Those are like 72, 75 at most. Someone said you cannot market order is not open for the first 15 minutes in your options chain. I don't know what broker you're using, but you better switch it if you want to use market orders. Uh, oh, oh, you're using Robinhood? Well, that's your issue. Get off of Robinhood. That must be on. Yeah, yeah. Don't get off of Robinhood. If you want to use Robinhood for anything, I mean, for passive, I wouldn't even say passive trading strategies because they fuck up your fills. Um, there's Q's new high day. Longer term investing for a user friendly interface, Robinhood all day long. Anything else for active trading, absolutely not. Just my opinion. Tesla new high day, NVDA new high day, IWM new high day. Ticker CVTX. Nas, did you see that? CDTX. Yeah, $9.2 billion deal. Um, IWM, 100%. I have two contracts left. I'm gonna move this stop up a little bit. The video's flying still. Should have done a few NVIDIA 0DTs for fun too. Who's got that dog, you know? Hey, nice job on IWM. Great job. And nice job on Tesla. We should have a lot of resistance right here. Watch a short. Are you short right here? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is we're coming up into a so so IWM and RTY hit the short spot. SPY is getting close to it. Qs I think could pop up a little bit higher. It's look at IW and RTY off previous week low. Instant rejection right up there. I think I think SPY and Qs can pop up just a little bit higher. I'm probably gonna join you on a little short scalp here in a second if it can get up there. Coin put 70% overnight. Nice job. What's going on with MU? Oh look at the relative strength on that name. The entire market, majority of the market was red overnight. MU did not care. MU stayed above previous day low all pre-market and is ripping and just broke previous day high. Talk about relative strength. Those are the names that you want to look for, though, right? Like right out of the gate, Tesla was getting a nice candle upside. IWM, while SPY and Qs were getting that downside candle. IWM was already starting to bounce off those lows and pushing higher. That's kind of what you want to look for in a situation like this. SPY, Qs needs. Yeah, yeah. It needs to pop about another 50 cents. Hey, if you follow the trading plan, the first thing I said right at pre-market when I came on, I said I'm full port and long. I mean, we're all millionaires now. Great job. Port Fridays, that thing. Let's not make it a thing. Amazon curling up a little bit. It's always jokes, Jose. Uh, so SPY just hit the area where I'd be looking for a short. Qs was about 40, 50 cents shy, but it's interesting here. IWM looks like it wants to go break 236.50 next. My MRK calls are still up 30%. Nice. Ooh. CJ, if it's always in reference to it's Friday because it's Friday, 0 DCEs. It's a rule on Fridays. It's always been a rule. 0 DTE options will never go through my alert bot. Fridays, never. Not once. Not now, not in the future, not ever. It's always been a thing. The only person I know that will send 0 DTE options through an alert bot is Bishop, and he does what he wants, and if it works, then it works. But I'll tell you right now, there's probably people listening here on this live stream. If you've ever seen an analyst send a 0 DTE, SPX, SPY, Qs, or IWM, Tesla, NVDA alert through an alert bot, right? By the time they send their alert out and by the time you go and try to get into that trade, is it ever near the same price? 90% of you are probably going to say, not even freaking close. Yeah, fuck no, right? So, what sense does it make to me as a trader to alert an SPX 0 DTE option that costs $500? And by the time I enter, send it to my alert bot. The alert bot sends it to Discord. Discord sends the notification to your cell phone. You open up Discord, you see my alert, you read it, you go to your options chain, you go look at the price and you try to enter. By that point, do you think that 0 DTE is going to be anywhere near that same price? And if I bought at 5 and it's at 560 or 580, when you're buying in, you are now my exit liquidity because I'm probably going to start trimming here, right? Why would I ever do that? It's it's just something for me personally, and I'm not saying I'm talking bad about people that do that. It's just if people feel comfortable alerting 0 DTEs like that through their alert bot, and I mean then I mean perfectly fine. That's on them. If they get a bunch of backlash because like by the time I always get to it, it's already up, and then you're trimming, but I just got in. I'm like, yeah, I'm not dealing with those kind of messages. It's also just it doesn't seem right to do something like that because I know for a fact that 90% of the time those premiums are never going to be anywhere near it. Think about AMD yesterday. I took weekly AMD contracts yesterday. Within 20 to 30 seconds on a 5-minute candle pop, those premiums jumped over $30 per contract gain. People were already pissed that they miss it and how fast it moved, right? Could you imagine someone always doing that, but it's 0 DTE options every time? How frustrating would that be to trade, right? So in my opinion, why do it at all? Just avoid it, right? If I know for a fact that by the time you see that shit to try to enter, if it starts working in my direction for what I'm seeing on my chart and I'm trying to make money on it, right? I bought those contracts at 100. By the time you see them, they had a buck 30, buck 40. I mean, You're literally going to be somebody's exit liquidity. That's not right. It's in my opinion, it's not right. You're gonna chase when they're up 20-30%, and you might still make money afterwards. If it, like IWM, for example, if it continued and people chased, right? I bought these things at 64, right? When it goes to 75 or 80, right? And I'm already up 20-30%. If people start chasing there and it continues and it goes to 100, now I'm up, 50%, but they're only up 20 something. Yeah, it can work out. But if it doesn't, then they get pissed, right? And I'm like, okay, I mean, like, if you chased 20-30% above where my entry was, I mean, again, that's your trade. That's what you decided to do and you didn't decide to take, right? Again, I just avoid all of that. It's not something I ever want to be a part of. Is alerting zero DTE. They're volatile options, and people are not going to see those premiums at the same price, like almost ever. Oh, there's our rejection. There's your rejection on IWM and SPY. Looking good so far. Watch to see if they rip it up off the 9 right here. This is why Casey. This is why I love you, Casey. Built different with integrity. It's just, I mean, yeah. It's just I don't understand. I just don't understand why people try to alert zero DTEs. It just never makes sense to me. Or just bounce off the 9 and then rip. Let me get SPX pulled up. I know. I wanted to see a little bit lower, and I would have absolutely tried the long on Qs if it would have dipped down close to like 603 area. SPY maybe back down to like 667. I would have tried it. Mm-hmm. Oh, there's Qs. I'm muted, so it wasn't me. Qs almost hit previous day low. SPY is still very far from previous day low. Not even freaking close. Not even close. Oh, Gladiator took QCOM. I love it. I freaking love it. I think Walmart's a good long right here. I can send Walmart through the alert bot. I'm not going to do zero DTEs. I can do next week. Tesla call right now to take entry. Back testing the 9. Not a bad spot. I'd like to see a sweep under 390, but off the 9 intraday doesn't look bad. You probably catch a quick little scalp on it. All right. Wally World. Looking at the 104s for next week, they're cheap-ish. They're around $1.50. I've never traded Walmart 0 DTEs. I don't think I could. I don't think I could trade Walmart 0 DTEs. There's no way I could trade Walmart 0 DTEs. No freaking way. There's your Tesla 9 EMA bounce. If you took those calls right there for the scalp, whoever asked the question. And watch right there. Just hit previous day low. Get a little trim. Get the rejection. Gotta be quick. I'm telling you. You got it. If you're taking 0 days, be quick. From one to the other. You're not. If you catch really, really big moves and it continues, that's fantastic. But it's always 0 DTEs are meant for freaking selling options or for scalping. That's about it. For SPX and SPY, right? Yeah, that is correct, Mundo. So for SPY, mine was around 668.75, where I went to see the rejection. Q's was 605.90. That previous candle that wicked up there missed it by 3 pennies, but looking good. SPY still rejecting the same zone. I do like the shorts up here. I like Walmart as well. I'm watching Wally World here. Never traded Walmart 0 DTEs. Let's go. There you go. Are you long, Maple? I'm yeah. I'm looking at GLD right here. I kind of like it intraday for a little long. Premium's getting pricey. All right, watch these GLD 0 DTE 376 calls here. They're at 94, $95. MRK starting to. Oh yeah, it is. That's why MRK is back up 40% calls. Look at that bad boy. Watch the Walmart 101 0 DTEs. They're at 35, 36. What's APP doing? You got a lot of bullish flow on APP. Spy new high. Here we go. Come on, a little bit more. Pop it. Fill it. Fill it. Fill it. Come on. Ah, APP looks so good. Jesus, look at these spreads on APP. All right, trimming Walmart here. 30%, 101's in the money. I took the 101 0 DTEs. 101. Come out at 35. Cheapies. Now they're at 47, 48. I'm going to sell majority here. Look at this bounce off the 21. 21. Boom. I know. I know. I'm about to trim these GLDs. They're up a little bit. Yeah, let's look at these 376s. They're up just a little bit. I want more though. I want to see if this candle can at least hit the equal high or pop above it. Hughes just hit the same spot again. Ooh, Apple, what are you doing? Amazonian still trying. Dude, MSTR is dead. Fucking dead, dude. Here's MU back testing the 9 for the first time since the morning pump. The heat suit looking like on SPX. Let me go check. Oh, they stopped me out the rest of GLD and Walmart entry. Piece of shit. Eat Momo on 0 DTEs. Hold up real quick. You just hit the 21 EMA on SPX 5-minute against buying Qs, so rejecting the same spot. I kind of like this for maybe just a little short scalp. Um, uh, you got 67.25 on SPX above you. You have your purple note at 66.80, your kings at 66.35. which that's where that little note is right now on SPS, like 67.25. It lines up with previous day low. I think you can get a little, like right here. I think you get that little short scalp in. So far, I mean, look at the candle on SPY. It's yeah, yeah. I just watch these SPX 6650s. They just went from 740 to 840. Subtle rejection. Yeah. Dude, freaking MSTR, Jesus Christ. How does Hims look? I haven't even looked at Hims. Hims is green on the day, above previous day low. I mean, looking good for SPX 6800s from Monday, 600. Take me to previous day low. Yeah, take me to previous day. Yeah, take me to previous day low. Take me to previous day low. New high. Yeah. Ridiculous. Probably. I might try it there. If I can long it up to it, I might flip it. Here we go. All right, $70, $80 per contract gain. SPX. I'm trimming. Fuck. Let's go. Let's fucking go. I even did Mondays. I didn't even do 0 DTs. Give me a 700 break here. Come on. Jesus. Gotta be, dude. It's SPX. Look at the reaction off the 9. Fuck it. Slap the ass and go. If you're going to trade SPX, you trade SPX. You don't wait. You don't stutter. You don't do shit. If you're trading SPX, you hit it. Filled. 700 break. Filled. Filled 700 break. Stop at entry at 6 now. Let's go. Previous day low. 50 cents, 60 cents higher SPY. Come on. $100 per contract gain. Easy money. T. Here we go. Come on. Come on. That would be impossible. He's watching it through the link that you sent. Dude, I think Knots took some shrooms this morning. Dude, it's 10:30. You're drunk already? Oracle? Damn, I thought this was a bear market. I'm just selling covered calls on some shit. About it. And then taking some put credit spreads or call credit spreads, whatever it is, intraday for extra cash. Come on, SPX, do the diddly. Come on. 67.25. We said this 15 minutes ago. Oh no, just bust straight through it. That's the reason why I didn't take the zero DTEs and I took Mondays. Because if you take the zero DTEs, it's just gotta be straight freaking momentum. Otherwise, you're going to lose premium fast. The other thing is if we do break and reclaim previous day low and we keep moving higher, having the contracts for Monday just makes it easier to hold and just keep moving a stop up as it continues to go. Three, two, one. Break this freaking level and shoot it. Shoot it up. Come on, there it is. New high. You're almost there. God. I need my premiums. Yeah. Once, what are we at? What percentage on SPY? Uh, point. No. 1.20 minimum. Once we start seeing that, we can start saying potentially. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Shoot it. Where's the momentum? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Push it. Push it. Push it real good. Don't stall. No stalling. You're literally 5 points away. Just why not? Freaking Walmart just put a Morningstar reversal on dip. I could have grabbed that one too. I'm still thinking about buying calls on Walmart, not zero DTEs, but actually, you know what? Fuck it. Let's go ahead and pull it up now. I was looking at 104s for next week. They were at like 250 earlier, or 150 earlier. Where are they at now? 155. Here we go. Come on, SPX. Come on. Come on. All right, there we go. All right. All right, $140 per contract gain. Come on, keep it going. Go hit it. Go fucking hit it. Go. Go. There we go. Come on. Give me 800. Give me 800. 2.5. Here we go. 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 There we go. Come on. There it is. I'm going to take a trim here at 780, $180 per contract gain, right at 6725 target, previous day low retest. Boom. I'm out 3 out of 4 contracts. There you go. Now just one left. If it continues to break above this, we actually start moving and grooving and pushing higher, just let her keep going. Hood new highs. Let's fucking go. Probably gonna run to resistance on SPY. Excuse me, 671.7. Bang. Gap fill, baby. Yes.